The McLaren 720S. Performance. Engine. The heart of the 720S is a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces a staggering 720 horsepower, hence the name, and 568 pound-feet of torque. Acceleration. This power translates into astonishing acceleration figures. 0-60 miles per hour, 2.8 seconds. 0-124 miles per hour, 7.8 seconds. Quarter mile, 10.4 seconds. Top speed. The 720S has a top speed of 212 miles per hour. Transmission. A 7-speed seamless shift gearbox, SSG, delivers lightning-fast gear changes. Handling. The 720S utilizes advanced suspension technology like proactive chassis control for exceptional handling, agility, and a comfortable ride despite its supercar status. Design. Aerodynamic efficiency. The 720S features a sleek, aerodynamic body sculpted to maximize downforce and minimize drag. Dihedral doors. Like many McLaren models, the 720S features dramatic upward swinging dihedral doors. Lightweight construction. Extensive use of carbon fiber keeps the 720S incredibly light, contributing to its incredible performance. Interior. Driver-focused. The interior of the 720S places the driver at the center of the experience, with a minimalist design and intuitive controls. Luxurious materials. High-quality leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents can be found throughout the cabin. Folding driver display. The 720S has a unique folding digital instrument cluster that can switch between a full display and a slimmed-down track mode presentation for minimal distractions. Price. The McLaren 720S is a high-performance luxury vehicle and commands a premium price. New models start at around $300,000 United States dollars, though prices can vary depending on options and location. Let me know if you'd like to explore any aspect of the McLaren 720S in more detail. Let's delve deeper into the variants of the McLaren 720S. Coupé versus Spider. Key differences. Roof configuration. The most obvious difference is the roof. The Coupé features a sleek, fixed roofline, while the Spider boasts a retractable hardtop that can be opened or closed in about 11 seconds, even at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. Weight. The Spider variant is slightly heavier than the Coupé due to the additional weight of the complex roof mechanism. This results in a minor difference in performance figures. Sound experience. With the roof lowered in the Spider, you'll experience a more immersive aural experience, hearing the roar of the V8 engine more directly. Aesthetics. While both undeniably beautiful, the Coupé offers a slightly sleeker, uninterrupted profile. The Spider has its own visual appeal and the added drama of the roof opening and closing. Additional considerations. Practicality. The Spider does sacrifice a small amount of trunk space to accommodate the retractable roof. Price. The Spider typically commands a slightly higher price premium over the Coupé. Other 720S variants. While the Coupé and Spider are the core models, several other limited edition and high-performance variants have existed. 720S Velocity, a special edition with unique visual treatments and color theming. 720S Track Theme, focused on lightweight components and track-oriented options. 720S Le Mans celebrates McLaren's racing heritage with exclusive design and specification. 765 Lieutenant, essentially a more extreme, track-focused version of the 720S, with added power, less weight, and a more aggressive aero package. The LT also comes in a Spider variant. Choosing your ideal variant. It comes down to personal preference and intended use. Coupé, the choice for maximum performance, aerodynamics, and a sleek aesthetic. Spider, the option for open-air thrills, dramatic style, and the ability to enjoy the exhilarating engine soundtrack more openly. Your privacy and Gemini apps.